Hey guys, Coach here with this week's Plant of the Week. If you want a really nice, compact, and I'm talking like a foot or less, take a look at Little Bang Candy. Yeah, I said that right. Little Bang Candy Coreopsis. Beautiful, beautiful color array with yellows and kind of a really hot, violet, kind of a candy red look to the centers of them. They open yellow and then they get that red center before they totally mature. A bloomer from spring until fall. Because of its denser habit, it tends to be a little thicker, smaller, and much more profuse on the top than some of the other Coreopsis that I've shown you. This one here will respond well to a good dose of organic fertilizer in the spring. It is good down to zone 4 and all the way up to zone 10, although they do better in the lower zones. They like that cold winter to kind of regenerate for next spring. Little Bang Candy Coreopsis. This one here will respond like all Coreopsis to good deadheading practices, even to the point where you come in and just lop them all off temporarily, and within 4 weeks you'll get a whole nother flush. Little Bang Candy Coreopsis, full sun, 12 inches tall, down to zone 4. Hey, check them out. Ask for them at your garden center. Don't forget Homescape 2.0 over on the website, youryardcoach.com. We got it discounted until the middle of this month, August 20th, 2025. Then we got to push it up to the regular price. A lot of work went into it, a ton of education. Anyway, back to plants. Any questions or comments? Throw them in the comments below. I'll catch you guys later. Thanks very much. Bye for now.